Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at the new Nike Plus version of the Apple Watch Series 4. The Nike Plus model of the Apple Watch Series 4 is pretty much the exact same experience as the standard Apple Watch, but with a few subtle differences. As far as the unboxing experience goes, the Nike model comes in an all black box as opposed to all white, with Nike branding and a picture of the watch on the front with the Nike watch face. The available straps for the Nike Plus are obviously all Nike branded, and some of them are a bit different. In our first unboxing video of the Series 4, I had a black Sport Loop band, and the Nike Sport Loop band that I have here is pretty similar, but the key difference is this Nike Sport Loop band is supposed to give off some reflection to help stand out a bit when maybe running outside at night. In theory, the reflection from a car's headlight, for example, might be enough to warn any traffic when running outside. In person, this Sport Loop band definitely has a bit of reflection, but I'm not sure that it's enough to deter any traffic out at night. I will say the reflection is much more prevalent when dimming the lights and using a flashlight to go ahead and mimic a headlight. The other main difference on the body of the watch is that the bottom has some small Nike branding, and once you have the watch powered on, you'll be greeted with the exclusive Nike watch face. This is really the only reason, in my opinion, to go with the Nike Plus version of the Series 4, because it's the same price as the standard model and you get the Nike digital and analog versions of its watch faces. I personally like the way they look, and the range of Nike colors that are included for customization is pretty extensive. You can scroll through tons of colors and options to make your Nike Apple Watch look a bit more unique. Friendly reminder, it's a lot easier to customize and add these watch faces via the Watch app on your phone, which is something I always forget about doing, and even though the new digital crown haptic feedback is fun to use, it's still not better than just using your phone. The Nike Plus version also comes with the Nike Run Club app and application pre-installed to help you track your runs, but again, this is something that you can just download on your own with your non-Nike model if you choose to do so. Aside from those differences, these watches are no different than any other Apple Watch Series 4. You get the same larger near edge-to-edge display, the new S4 chip, which makes this watch extremely powerful and fast, and allows for cool new health features like the ability to perform an ECG, and for fall detection, which can detect a fall and call for help automatically if you need it. In my opinion, I always think it's better to go for the Nike model over the standard, especially if you're a fan of the Nike watch faces, because you can't obviously download these on a standard model. At least by getting the Nike Plus model, if you want to use those watch faces, you at least have the ability to do so, where if you just purchase the standard watch, as I mentioned before, you can't download them. All of the other bands can be purchased separately, so if you don't like the Nike ones, you can always pick up another one. Let us know which Apple Watch model you purchased in the comment section down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.